Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't been recording for much, but sorry about that. I'll try getting everything sorted out and I'll start recording back again very soon. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to start crypto mining. I know crypto mining has been popular for a few months now, and so I decided to make a video about it. First you need to go to this link. If you have an Nvidia card, you should use a T-Rex miner. It's a pretty popular miner. You probably heard about it. But if you have an AMD card, you should be using Gminer or LOL miner. But in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use Gminer. To download T-Rex miner, if you're using Windows, go to this link and click T-Rex 020.1 /win.zip. My internet is not the fastest one, but for you should be there. I'm not going to do that because my internet is very slow, so it's gonna take a while, but it's same for the Gminer. Go to the link, I put it in the description, and click on Gminer 2_52 and it will download. While that is downloading, go to the exodus.com and download it. It's a crypto wallet. You can use it on mobile or desktop or both. As you saw, you click on download, that is here, and click on download Exodus 21.4.12 and download Windows, Mac, Linux. This is for Ubuntu, and this is for I think Mint. Since I'm using Windows, I click on download Windows app. Yep, it says it here. I'm not gonna download it because I already have it installed. Once you downloaded all that, Gminer or T-Rex, you will see, when you open the .zip, you will see a bunch of .bat files. You're probably wondering, what is that? How do I start mining? Well, first of all, you right click on T-Rex, extract files, and just extract it in a folder. As you can see, there is a lot of BAT files and a T-Rex.exe. We will leave this for later. I'll go to my wallet repo, Exodus. As you saw earlier, for you it's gonna be different. You will have to make a wallet. I'm just gonna type in my password. The wallet is gonna load up, and here will be my internet is pretty slow, sorry about that. And here will be your wallet. There should be a lot of already pre-made wallets for a lot of cryptocurrencies. For now I'm using only Ethereum, Bitcoin, Litecoin and Dragoncoin. You can use, there is a lot of cryptos right here, like 1inch, Airswap, Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin Gold as well. I think Bitcoin Gold, I'm not sure. Yeah, Bitcoin Gold as well, Bitcoin. But for now I'm going to be showing you for Ethereum. You go to receive and there should be a code here. That's your wallet ID. You click on that and it says copy it to clipboard. You can minimize that, and there is this much. Already pre-made pools for mining Ethereum. Ethereum plus ZIL is for a bit weaker card that mines, not weaker cards, but it just mines Ethereum and the ZIL coin at the same time. So I'm not going to show you that, I'm just gonna show you for Ethereum. You right click on Ethereum 2 miners, for example, pool, and there should be this long code here. You paste in your wallet ID, go to hold Control and click S on your keyboard to save the file. But if you're going to use Ethermine, just do the same thing, just edit the file, change the wallet. But if you forget to save it before closing, it will warn you, and just save it. So that's for T-Rex. For Gminer you're going to do the same thing, extract files. Okay. You go to Gminer and there is a lot of already pre-made pools. It doesn't say what pools it's in. You can check that in the edit. You go, for example, mine underscore ethereum.bat, or there it says it on this one, ZIL underscore sharp pool. There is already some cryptos in it: Ion Beam, Bitube, Bitcoin Gold, Cortex, Ethereum Classic, Ethereum and ZIL, Ravencoin, Swap, Ycash. And in here you see Algo Ethash server. This is the pool. I'll show you in a minute how to make a comment for a new pool. But in here it's pretty much the same, just change the code to your correct wallet. If you're using Bitcoin Gold, not Bitcoin Gold. If you're using Ravencoin, for example, you go to edit, but in your wallet you go to Ravencoin. You click on receive, click your wallet ID and change it in here. Save the file and close it. Now you have to go make an exception for your antivirus so it doesn't delete it as soon as possible. I'm using Bitdefender right now. If you're using Bitdefender as well, you go to exclusions, add exclusive, add file, browse, go to desktop, and there should be, where is it, new folder. You go to T-Rex and click on T-Rex.exe. I think it's T-Rex.exe. Yep, there is no miner.exe. Click on that, add, path excluded. This is just because antivirus detects it as a virus, so to be sure it doesn't delete it. Now once you've done that for T-Rex, you go to the correct pool, double click on that, and you should see that it will run a command prompt. My GPU is not not the best. It's pretty bad, to be honest, but it does the job for some minor games. But when you run the BAT, you should see the command prompt and it will start mining. is the same thing for Gminer, only Gminer is for AMD cards. If you go to T-Rex, for example, there's, yeah, rig 0. You can change that for example, rig 1 or my underscore rig, or whatever you want. I'll just call it rig 0 because I'm not gonna mine with a GTX 745. If you want more tips and tricks for mining, if you have any questions, ask down in the comments. I'm always open for questions. If you feel generous enough, you can donate me some crypto. But that is going to be for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope I helped some new miners that are starting to mine. If you want to see more videos, more tutorials like this, please subscribe, like this video. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.